Now you have seen the results. Here's exactly how to get them. These are 3 filters that can make your edits look way sharper, cinematic, and way more professional in seconds. Open InShot, go to the Effects and to the Adjust section and adjust the following. Now that's it. And now go to the Effects, go to the Stylize and choose HDR. Now duplicate the clip, switch it to the overlay. Go to the blend option and choose dodge and adjust the value as you want, and you have your effect. This one is almost like a quality filter, so go to the adjust. Now go to the background and choose blur, and then go to the opacity and lower it down. Now go to the overlay and take the same original thing that which we didn't add any filters or anything, and then go to the filters and go to the adjust, go to the highlights, go to the contrast, go to the blend and choose normal, and then lower the value down. Now we are repeating the same process again. Duplicate the clip, turn it to overlay. Go to the filter and go to the adjust. Since we duplicated the clip, the adjustments are already done. Just increase the sharpness fully. And then go to the blend and choose whatever option you need. It is up to your likings. So at last I'm using the normal itself. After trying out so many options, I choose normal and then lower it down. Go to the effects and to the adjust and adjust like I'm doing. It might take some little time, but the ending is worth it. After doing every settings that I did right now, go to the effects and to the stylize section and choose HDR. Now go to the background and choose blur. Zoom in to fill the screen and then go into the opacity and lower it down for a blur effect. And now take an overlay. I wanted a black overlay, but I didn't have a black overlay, so I'm adjusting with whatever photo I had. And now go to the blend and choose overlay. And then you will have the settings.